Hi friends! Now that we've learned all about different types of forests, let's take a look at the forest a little bit closer. Do you know that forests have different layers? The very first layer is called the canopy, and this is this right here. The canopy is the top layer of trees. These trees are usually at least 100 feet tall, and the branches and leaves form an umbrella over the rest of the layers. In the rainforest and many other forests, most of the plants and animals live on this layer. This includes monkeys, birds, insects, reptiles of all sorts. Some animals can live their entire lives without leaving the canopy to even touch the ground. This layer is the loudest layer, with animals making lots of noise. Can you think of what kind of noises an animal who lives in a tree might make? Good job. Next, we have the understory. The understory is beneath the canopy, and its layer is made up of some shorter trees and shrubs, mostly trunks and branches of the canopy trees. This layer is home to some of the larger predators like snakes and big cats. It also home to owls, bats, insects, frogs, iguanas, and various other animals. When thinking about the understory, it is important to remember that life in the understory is in the branches and the bark of the tree. In the branches, you will find animals such as owls, squirrels, and bats, and in the bark, you will find smaller life forms such as ants, centipedes, spiders, and woodlice. Finally, on the bottom here, we have the forest floor. Because of the thickness of the canopy, very little sunlight gets to the forest floor in many forests, and this layer is home to lots of insects and spiders. There are also some animals that live on this layer, including deer, pigs, and snakes. This layer is the quietest, as animals sneak around in the dark, making little noise. Sometimes scientists refer to a fourth layer called the emergent layer, and you can see that here at the top. The emergent layer is made up of tall trees that grow above the canopy. Please let me know if you have any questions. Those are the layers of the forest. Thank you.